Boom, what's up, viewers and subscribers? I don't know, say it's a boy, Fayskull. Alright, and welcome back to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscription button right below the video so that you can get more videos like this and also turn on post notification. Alright, so today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna react to one of my favorite series, which is Game of Thrones, a spin-off called House of Dragon. You see me? Well, we're not gonna really react to it. I react to just a little insider to the final episode of season 8. You see me? I say. So let's get right into the video. Let's go. And bear in mind, spoiler alert, this is going to give out a lot of gems. So if you not watch episode 8 yet, you know what you need to do. You see me? Click off of the video quick and fast. You see me? So I camera like that also. Alright. Anyway, let's get right into the video.
War has a
Yo, me not like it look epic so far. Me not watch it yet, you know. Me not watch it yet, but it not already spoil for me, so let's take a little peek. It look exciting for it.
arrived in Westeros.
I must see the Queen.
Rhaenyra discovers that Aegon is alive, and it's quite a shock to her.
This a youth, yeah. A whole heap of thing going with this a youth, yeah. You see me? The dog, they have one dragon named Sunfire. You see me? And basically, this a dog growing up, he was destined to be the king. You see me? I say, but he never have a king. He never have any king qualities. You see me? So nobody never really believe in him. Him brother, little brother beat him up. I think one part night when the dog got war and him brother burn him up off a dragon to rot it. All a little thing. But in the last episode with this dog, yo, what about thing happen? We're not really talking though, but let's go.
Suddenly, her world is turned upside down.
The thing that really gut punches her is this idea that it's being touted as this Arthurian Christ-like resurrection that shows that he's meant to be the chosen one. The Song of Ice and Fire, the prophecy, all of that is meaningless because now the Faith have this male claimant that they can raise up. Rhaenyra has struggled with it all season long, but she's realized at the end she finally has to just become Daemon Targaryen, essentially, if she wants to win this war, and now she's going to fight this to the very end.
Killing the High Septon is insane. You know, she's killed the Pope.
When she steps outside of the sept, she has to find the words to give to the people, and that's where you see her make her speech and lay out her vision for her reign.
It's a total Darth Vader moment, and she looks quite fearsome.
Rhaenyra has been really trying to shed the prison of femininity. Her arc this season is so much the search for legitimacy.
This is about fascist imagery. This is about iconography.
Rhaenyra understands the threat that Mysaria is to her because Mysaria has become so close. She is a confidant, a lover, an advisor.
Rhaenyra has chosen a path, and it's the path with Daemon. And there's no space for someone like Mysaria, who, in a way, is kind of like her moral compass. It's really disturbing for Mysaria. There's real shock and guilt, actually, because suddenly here's this person.
Or something. Katia are close advisor, you know. You see, thing with House of Dragons, Game of Thrones, it is very unpredictable. You can never predict what will happen in the next episode or what will happen next. You see me, I say? That I think with Game of Thrones, brother, or House of Dragons.
Who is a fascist that I helped to raise up, which is completely against all my beliefs.
Darren's looking out at the townsfolk, and he is worried this battle, which is in his name, is going to affect these families. That weighs on him quite a lot, and is what spurs him on to want to be a leader. He didn't want to be king. It's almost a responsibility because of the way Ormond's jeopardized these people's lives.
Dragon!
Daemon's is a man who is made for the field, and he's been waiting for this moment the entire season.
The interesting thing
This is like one of the most fearsome fighter in it. Is me I say, I think him are the uncle, the queen. Is me I say, I remember their name. Is he but dog yeah? The player you would.
about Damon is, I don't think he cares if he's got 20,000 people or if he's got his dragon and his dog. As long as he's got a sword in his hand, he will fight to the death. It's what makes him feel alive in a way.
Go now. And kill them.
It's Daemon's Super Bowl. He gets to show up on Caraxes and win this war for Rhaenyra.
Gawain has realized that his cousin, Ormond, is mad. So he figures, I'll give...
Yo, my been know say dog. Yo, my been know say something up with that brother there. The dog never write it from the start, hombre. The man do some something. If I wonder, the blood clot is that come from. You see me? But I think it got one high tower. I think is it big up. Yo, feel that the Game of Thrones fans them go really understand what me talk about still. You see me?
them back the sea snake, and I will proposition them with an idea that, you know what, why don't we let Rhaenyra rule most of the realm and just let Prince Darren rule down here, just a little area, and be fine. Or you can just have a bloody battle which is just pointless death. And guess which one Daemon chooses?
That scene was about...
The Rasta, you read that, so he was a part of them people aside, you see me? But then capture him, I know if the dog betray them, you see me? Based on how this dog look upon him, you know what go on this one. Like some betrayal go on. You see me? So if we go watch episode 8 to see what go on this one.
Two opposing factions, not just Hightowers versus the Blacks, but war versus peace. And what that means for the realm.
The next man to stall on this attack will be tied to the front of my fucking horse!
One of the ways Ormond recruits Ulf is by appealing to the shame Ulf felt when Daemon struck him in the street.
This a dog in front of the crowd. You see me? I said this a dog them cousin. You see me? More Targaryen too. He fly one dragon too. You see me? But the dog embarrassing tipping in back in front of the whole fucking city. Him betray him, you see me? Definitely him. In the last episode, him betray him. You see me? Gone to the Hightower side. You see me?
Fellow townsfolk. Ormond, in a fury, finds him and then does exactly what Daemon does, strikes him in the street in front of everyone, and yet again Ulf is shamed.
Ormond doesn't know this, but he's just made the biggest mistake of his life.
The whole battle spins on a dime, all because one man felt embarrassed. The power of shame. It's amazing. You can have all these huge, big armies, big set pieces, and the thing which really dictates the story is something so small and domestic.
I'm burning you lot, and you. I'm burning you lot too.
There's definitely no winner at the end of season 3. It's just death and destruction. It's hard to be anti-war without glorifying warfare because you have to show it. But what I hope the audience comes away with is not the swinging of swords, but the aftermath of the swinging of swords.
We're entering into the end of days phase of the Dance of the Dragons. Armies really don't matter anymore. What's going to matter coming into this endgame is who's got a dragon and which dragon is on which side and fighting for whom.
Them are born on Westeros too. Definitely, yeah, I'm gonna watch it after me, sir. Do some workout and then watch that.
When Aemon discovers that his brother's alive, it's a moment of total disbelief.
Because of everything that he's gone through in Harrenhal, he's changed, and he realizes that actually he's a pretty bad person.
He's really let down by the fact that he's wet and pathetic. So it's like, pull your fucking shit together. Get on this dragon with me and we're going.
He's torn between Alice, the new life that he envisioned for himself, and going back to the past to his brother, Aegon. And those two loyalties and which one he chooses, I can't wait to see.
The opposition have got more artillery now, so he's looking forward to engaging in full nuclear war. Revenge, revenge, revenge.
Helena sews this beautiful tapestry in which we find an image of herself falling.
Helena's draw is nature in the outside world, so there is poetry in the fact that she genuinely throws herself into the world.
Helena has realized that she's a prisoner in an inescapable prison. Even if she does get out, so to speak, she never really will be out. She's carrying the king's heir. That child will be either a pawn or be taken from her and killed so that it can't make a claim to Rhaenyra's throne.
I don't think she knows fully that Helena is dead, but I think it's just this huge pang of intuition. Something awful has just happened and something has severed and she doesn't know what.
It's a magic going out of the world when a Targaryen dreamer dies. As rare as the dragons are, the dreamers are even rarer, and now to know that we're going forward without one of these in the line spells a certain darkness for the days to come for the Targaryen dynasty.
At the end of episode 308, Rhaenyra is left sort of alone in her castle.
Rhaenyra begins the season doubtful of her rightness. And I think by the end of episode 8, she is resolute in her wrongness. It's an arc that started with tremendous amounts of hope and ends in darkness and desperation.
This is a giant crucible, and everybody comes out at the end of it wizened a little bit harder, more corrupted, and we just love where we leave off at the end of the season, even though it's another bit of a cliffhanger, so to speak. It's a hook for the next season.
Well, that. So if you have not seen episode 8 of House of Dragons, you know what I mean, or if you not start watch House of Dragons yet, now is the time to start watch. You see me? Then they are season 3 right now, so let's get cracking. Yo, big up everybody who show the stream, not the stream, the video right now. You know what I mean? I'm a big House of Dragons Game of Thrones fan. You see me? I say, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and I mean, if you get more videos. We make videos on all kind of subject. You see me? I say, not only in a dancehall or top 10 trending dancehall. You know what I mean? We're very versatile over here, so make beats, we do streaming, we all the thing. You see me? I say, we react to videos. So support the thing and subscribe. Until next time, people, Fayskull out. Let's go. Boom!